Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 5 English Plus 1 workbook on page 27. We are on Unit 2, so this is language focus. So today we are going to learn present simple corrections. So this is an email. So hi Maria, I've got a lot of corrections for you. So this one, what time you get up? So you need to write the first alphabet, capital letter. So what time, you need to add a do here. So what time do you get up? And then question mark here. So next, I usually get up at 6 a.m. That's very early. And number 2, you have a big breakfast. So and do you have a big breakfast? And then question mark. So next, I only have bread and orange juice. So next paragraph, what about your sister Anna? She helped at home. So does she helped at home? Question mark. And the next, my sister never helps with the housework. And Anna study a lot. And does, because we have singular here, Anna. Does Anna study a lot? Question mark. My sister is always in the library with her friends. So next paragraph. And what about your parents when they get home from work? So because the space is limited, so you write here. So I can write here, when do they get home from work? Question mark. My parents get home at 5:30. And number 6, your parents watch TV in the evening. So you can write here, do your parents watch TV in the evening? And then question mark here. My mom and dad love American films. Those are all my questions for now. See you soon, lady. So this is an email written by Lily to Maria. Okay, next we move on to the next activity. So this is speaking, making plans and suggestions. So activity 6, complete the dialogues with the phrases. So we have here, I like the sound. I'm not really interested. Let's go. What about? What do you want? What's on? So Ben said, there's a family fun day in town on Sunday. Jack, oh yes. So this one, you will need to write what's on. What's on? Question mark. And then Ben said lots of different things. Look at this. So the next one, to do. So what do you want to do? So what do you want to do? Well, in the cooking competitions in the morning. So well, I'm not really interested. So I'm not really. So limited space again. So I will write here. So really interested. In the cooking competition in the morning. So continue the conversation. So Jack, no, but of the sports quiz in the afternoon. So number 4, so we have I like the sound. I liked the sound of the sports quiz in the afternoon. Right, and so number 5, what about the barbecue at 6 p.m.? What about? And next, yes, okay. So number 6, let's go to the barbecue. Then we can go to the fireworks in the evening. Okay, great. So next, writing, special day. So activity 7, complete the text with the words. There are 5 extra words. So we have this: also, breakfast, but, chat, day, expensive, housework, light, play, streets. So every November in the USA, so USA stands for United States of America. So every November in the USA, there's a big celebration called Thanksgiving Day. On this special, so this is day. On this special day, American people give thanks for what they have. In many cities, there are big parades in the, so number 2, streets. In the streets, and there's great food too. People make nice costumes for the parades. They also sing, dance, and music. So we have this: play, music. It's noisy, but it's very exciting. So we have this also. We don't usually go in the parade, but we always watch it. We also dance because the music. So we liked the music and the songs. And number 8, choose the best title for the text. So as in activity 7, so take one box. So a celebration at school in the USA. So this is not best enough. Birthday celebrations in the USA. So no. A special day in the USA. So this is Thanksgiving Day. So this is a special day. So you take the third option here. So that's it for this page. So we are on page 27 of this year 5 English +1 workbook. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can watch the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link, you can click it, you can join it.